Welcome to Funk Puzzles, Kubok16. 4x4 cell numbers 1 to 16. Have to use each one once. Has to equal the total on the outsides out here. Okay, let's get going. So 33 minus 7 is 26. 38. I need 38 here, which means that I know that the secret in Kubok16 is 16 plus 15 is 31. That's the largest two numbers I can get. So 31 plus 2 is 32. So the minimum here is 7, but I can't have a 7, so it's 8. Okay, 49 minus 12 is also 37, also a big number. So this is going to be 6 for its maximum or minimum number. This is 15 minus 3. Well, 15 minus 3 is 12. And another secret is that you must use every single slot in here. So I must use this, this, and this. And that means that this at least has to be a 2, and this at least has to be a 4. And together those are 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 6 is 15, and it can't be that. So you could say that the largest number could be 7. In fact, this is a very interesting one right here. Let's look at this one. How do I get 12, right? That's what I'm looking at here. How do I get 12? I was trying to figure out how to get the biggest number, but how do I get 12? I have, again, 2 and 4 are my minimum, so 6 is my minimum from 12, which means I at least, or no, my maximum is 5. So I have, these are not in order. 5, 2, 4 to get 12. I have 5, 1, 5. No. I have 6, 1, 5. No. 6, 2, 3. No. So right there, I have it. That's the only way I can get 12, right? Well, this isn't 12. What am I doing? This is 6, 2, 4. Jeez. Sometimes I tell you guys, not very good. This is 6, 2, 4. Okay. And so I'm going to do this. I'm going to bring this out so I can do a little more messing around. And I'm not going to hide it. 6, 2, 4. So I need 12. How else can I get 12? 5, 2, 5, 5, 3, 4. Can't have 5, 3, 4. I can't have 5, 2, 5, obviously. 5, 6, 1. No. So I can't have 5. 6, 2, 4, 6, 3, 3, 6, 1, 5. No. 7. No. 4. Obviously, 4's got to use 5 or 6 because 4, 3, 2 doesn't make it. 8, no. 6, 2, 4. So 6, 2, 4 right there. I gotta change this to an object eraser. Okay, just erase these objects. 6, 2, 4. We already know what this is over here, right? But we don't know what it is. We know what it is, but we don't know what it is. This over here is 6, 2, 4. And I'm just gonna make a line go like that. Okay, so we know that 6, 2, 4 is in there, but we don't know what the combination is. 29, 31, 24. Okay, not too big. And then the 7 across is 23. Obviously, this looks like a really big clue. You know, getting to 6, 2, 4 this early is like, dang, you know. But the issue is that, well, you know, and I feel like I feel like changing the name of my stream here real quick. Because I don't have Kubok in there. It doesn't matter. Kubok16. So 6, 2, 4. 6, 2, 4. What does that mean to get that early? And all the other ones are kind of similar. 24, 31. This 31 is concerning a little bit. 31 is a bit bigger of a number. So if I had a 2 here, I'd have to have 29. So I'd have to have like 15, 14, or 16, 13. If I had a, well, 31, yeah. If I had a 6 here, it'd be 25. So it'd be like 12, 13. Can't have that. 14, 11, 15, 10, or 16, 9. Okay. Interesting. More importantly, I know there's no large numbers in there. And I know that, what did I say about this one? I forgot what I said about this one. 37. So the minimum here is 6. So this one over here is is greater than or equal to 6. So 6 eats it, right? Right, 31, yeah. Or no, that's not even right. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. And then the 38 is greater than equal to 7, greater than equal to 8. Okay. Which is fine because, oh, here's the problem. Here, what one are we missing? This is greater than or equal to 8. This is greater than or equal to 6. This is 6 to 4. Well, what are we missing? Well, we're missing 5, right? We're missing 5. And so I know that 5 goes here, here, or here, right? So let's think about where 5 could go. Well, if 5 went here, right? Yeah, 5, 6. Let's do the maximum. 5, 6 is 11 plus 12 is 23. This would have to be a 13. That's doable. So if this is 5, this is either 13. What if it's 2? 5, 2 is 7 plus 12 is 19. That'd be 17. That's not doable. 5, 4 is going to be 15, right? Then 5, 4 is 9 plus 21 is 20. Yeah, plus 12 is 21. This would be 15. So if this was 5, this is possible. If this is 5, you have 6 and you have 26 between these two. And that's not possible. Look at this. This one's actually more constrained right here. So if I put 5 here, right? What does that mean? Well, this is 6. And 6 from 32, that means that I now actually need 26 remaining from these two, right? But the problem is this can only be 2, 4, 6. This one right here, right? Can only be 2, 4, or 6. Okay? So let's say it says maximum 6. Well, then I need a 20. Okay? So, and that obviously can't be 20. So that means if I put the 5 down here, this is 3, this is 8, right? 8, and I got 24 for these two. Well, I can't do 12 and 12. I could do 13, 11. I could do 14, 10. I could do 15, 9. I could do 16. So it is not eliminated from here. But at least we have it really far narrowed down here, right? We know that this 5 or this is a 5. And if this is a 5 up here, again, we know that 5, 12, 17 from 36 is 19. And I would need either the 6 or the 4. So this is either a 13, 6 or 4, or 15. Okay. If that 5 is correct. I'll have to remember that logic. In fact, I'm probably going to get rid of that, so I don't mistake it later. Okay, so I do know 5's over here. And here's another thing. This is 6 greater than 6 right here, right? But that's actually not the truth. Why? Well, because the 6 is over here, and then the 7's here. So what it really is this is greater than, this is greater than or equal to 8 also. Okay, that's what that really is. So let's just take a second. If this is 8, this is 12, that's 20, 29, 16, 13, 15, 14. What about going across here? Let's say these are minimal. This is like 8, 9 right here and here. 8, 9, 17, 24. This would have to be 12. So here we go. Here's another constraint. This is constrained right here. This is constrained by the 6, right? Okay, so that's a maximum. So there's 13, so these have to be 23. So that means at a minimum, because I can't use a 12, it has to be at least 13, 10, 14, blah. Uh, 23. I can't have low ones is the point, I think. What if, Yeah, because that would be the lowest. This is the minimum it can be, 23. So I can't have like two lows. Or not two lows, but like two mids, like 2 8 9s. I have to have at least 13 10. That would be like the lowest numbers I can have as a combo here together, where they're both similar. I could absolutely have like 15 8. That's fine. Okay. What if this is a 2? This is a 2. This is a 9. This is 27. 15 12, 14 13, 16 11. That's it. Okay. So that's interesting to know. I know there's a 5 in here. Not in those three, but so if this is 5, that's 12. I need 21. 16 5, no. 15 6, yes. No, 15 6, no. Oh. This is where it gets the weird ones, right? 15 6, no. 14 7, no. 13 8, yes. 12 9, no. 11 10, yes. Okay, what am I doing here? 7 plus 5 equals 12, right? We all know that. 33, this total right here, minus 12, because we know there's a 5 in here, is 21, right? Oops. This is 21, right? So how do I get that 21? Well, I say 16 5, and that is obviously the big no, because we're using 5. 15 6, no, I'm already using that. 14 7, no, I'm already using that. 13 8, yes, I can use that. 12 9, no, I'm already using that. And 11 10. Okay, so that means in here is 11 10 or 13 8. That's the only possibilities. 11 10 or 13 8. Everything else is out. 11 10 or 13 8. Wow, that's a lot to think about. 11 10 or 13 8, huh? I better just go to object eraser. 11 10 or 13 8. So what we know is this is a in this row down, we have 11 10 or 13 8. But we don't know where. But we do know that it is going to be definitely, that is the ugliest 13 I've ever seen in my life. We do know for sure it is going to be, one of them is going to be here, because the 5 cannot be here. But then the 5 could be any of these other ones. So with that in mind, this is the largest one is 11. This is 1. That's 12. We know there's a 2 4 6. So let's just say 11, 12, 2. It's 14. Does that have to be 18? Doesn't work. 11, 12, 4, 16, 16. This could be a 16. 11, 12, 18, 14. This could be a 14. Yeah, why not? I don't see any reasons right now that disqualify it. What if it's an 8? Let's go the opposite way. 8, 9, 8, 9, 2. It's 11, 21. No. 8, 9. Let's do a big one. 8, 9, 6 is 15, 17. This cannot be an 8. 8, 9. The biggest this one right here can be. The biggest this right here. Oops. Undo that. The biggest that this can be is a 6. So 8, 1, 9, 6, 15. From there, that would have to be 17. Obviously too big. So 8 is out of this one. 8 cannot be in that square. We know it. So let's go to the big one, see if that somehow screws things up. 13, 14, 6, 19, 13. Oh, you can't have that. 13, 14, 18, 13, 14, 18, 14. That's fine. 13, 14, 16, 16. Isn't that what I had before? Didn't I have 14, 16 there before? I think I did. 10, 1, 11, 15, 17. No. 10, 1, 11, 15, 17. 10, 1, 11, 16, 17, 15. So I know that this one is 14, 15, or 16. That's what I know. I know that one is 14, 15, or 16. Right? 11, 1, 12. Let's say it's 13. 25, 7. No. And then the 13, obviously can't use it. 14, 15, or 16. Okay. Well, I mean, we're getting somewhere, right? Well, how much time we got in this? Man, we got a lot of time. So now we come up to this. Let's switch colors again. Now we're looking at this and this, right? So now we have 12, 14, 26, and I need 23. I know this at least has to be an 8. So this would be 8, 15 here. 12, 26, I need 23. 16, 12, 28, 21, 11, 10. This is interesting. What about my 8 here? I'm just let's actually let's diverge for a second. I know 8's got to be in here. Let's see if 8 can be here. 8, 20, 6, 10. That's fine. Eight, 20, 4, 12. No, 8, 20, 2, 14. That doesn't appear to be hampering at all, which is fine. Just think about 13. Can 13 be here? Right? Let's try to narrow this one down. 13. I know 8 can't be here. Oh, wait. Let's just stay with the 8. So 8 can be up there. What about 8 down here? Yeah, let's not deviate yet. 8, 3, 11, 21. This is too open. 21's 12, 9. 13, 8. Or wait. If I have 8 here, I have to have 13. So 21 is 12, 9, 11, 10. You could have 11, 10. Can't have 12, 9. Can't have 13. 14, 7, no. All the rest of them out. But you can have 11, 10. This could be 11, 10, reversible. That means this is 5. This is 13. Okay, do you see this reasoning here? This is 13, 1, 14. 14, 4, 18. So you need at least a 13, 1 is 12. 13, 1 is 14, sorry. 14 plus 4 is 18, so this is a 14. 14 plus 2 is 16, this would be a 16. 14 plus 6 is 20, this would be a 12. It doesn't work. So this would be a 14 or 16. 14, 26, 36, 13. Doesn't work. 14, 26, 36. No. 14, 26, 37. Wait. 14, 26, 36, 13. No. 14, 26, 37, 12. No. Okay, so 14s are gone. 16, 12, 28, 38, 11. No. 16, 12, 28, 39, 10. No. This can't be 13, which means this can't be 8. That can't, this one right here cannot be 8. And this one right here cannot be 8. So if 8 is going to work, which I don't know if it does, 8 must be here. So let's go ahead and carry this on. See what happens if we have our 8 here. Okay. Well, we have 8. Let's start with the bottom. 8, 2, 10, 22. This would be 14. Okay. And if this is 8, this must be 13. Okay, again. And if this is 13, this is 14. This is 14, 16. Well, let's just finish this up. Sorry. Let's finish this up. I'm jumping around too much. Okay, so let's go 8, 2, 10, 22, 14. We'll put it in the same corner as the 2 to indicate it goes with the 2. 8, 6, 14, 26. This is 10. 8, 12, 24, 12. That doesn't happen. So you couldn't use the 4. But we do have a 10 or a 14 there. Okay, so now this is 13. And this one's 5. 13, 1, 14, 28, 4. This would work because the 4 is not used here. 13, 14, 28, 4 does work. 13, 14, 29, 3 does not work. 13, 14, 32 also works. No, it's 13, 14. So the 14 or 16 is fine there. Okay. What I do know is I don't know much. So I know if this is 2, 14, 8, 13, this would have to be 16. So 14, 30. Wait, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Okay. It doesn't work with this. This 2. This 2 doesn't work because look, the 2 is tied to this 14. 2, 14, 16, 28, 36. So this 2 and this 14, this 2 and this 14 are together. But I come down here, 13, 1, 14, right? Add 14 here, 28. Can't do that because the 14 is used. 13, 14, add 15. That's 29. Can't do it because 3s are 13, 14, add 16, 30. Can't do that because the 2 is here. So I can't pick 2, 14 with this. Can I do 10, 6? 10, 6, 16, 24, 36. So now this is, yes, I can definitely do 10, 6. So this can be 10, 6, 100%. So let's go back. I'm getting a little wild here. We're going to do 10, 6. So 10, 6. Now I have my 13 here. And it's 13, 14, 14. This could be 4. Absolutely. 13, 14, 30, and this could be 2. Those work. Because this is 10, 6. Okay. And this 12, 4 obviously doesn't work. Okay. So now with that, this would be 4 or 2. Okay. And, oh man. Ooh, gotta take a little break here. 4 or 2. 6 has to be there. 4 and 2 are interchangeable. This would have to be a 10, 1. 10, 1, 28. How do I get my 28? I can't. Well, here's the blocker. 10, 1 from 39 is 28. How do I get 28? 16, 12? No. 15, 13? No. 14, 14? No. So that's actually it. That's the blocker in it. So that can't be 8. So there is no 8. There is no 13, 8. There is only 11, 10. Okay. There's only 11 and 10. There's 11, 10. And then it goes up with it. Okay. So now we can go through these. 11, 12, 26, 6. That's fine. 11, 12, 27, 5 is not fine. 11, 12, 28, 4 is absolutely fine. 10, 1, 15, 11, 26, 6 is fine. 10, 1, 11, 27 is not fine. Okay. So let's just go with the 10 here. So if this is 10, 1, 11, 25, 7, doesn't work. 10, 1, 11, 10, 1, 25, 7 doesn't work. 10, 11, 27 doesn't work. But 15 would work. 10, 1, 11, 26. This is 6. Okay. So now this is a 6. Think about this. If this is 5, 8, 24 is needed here. It's interesting. All right, so this can be either, let's say this is the 11, right? 11, 23, 25, 11 does not work. 11, 23, 27, 9 does work. 11, 23, 29, 7 does not work. So this would have to be the 9 if this was to be 11. That means this is 5. So this is 11, 9, 20, 32. This is 4. This is 2. So I need to use like the 8 and the 16. This is 27. I still need 22. 8 and 16 aren't going to get me there. 16 and 6 would. 8 and 14 also would. So it looks like it's the 8 and 14 since they aren't used. So let's just say 14. I mean, it's the only ones that can be 14, 8. 29, 16, 13 would work. So 16 would have to be down here, 13 up here, 27, 29, 36, 24, 27, 32, and we just got the answer. Oh yeah, I'm going to check this and then I'll go through it with you. 7, 11, 18, 28, 33, 13, 9, 22, 23, 39, 14, 26, 41, 49, 2, 4, 6, 3, that's 9, 7, 15, 16, 24, 27, 32, 10, 11, 26, 32, 11, 9, 20, 32, 36, 7, 13, 20, 34, 32. Okay, so what is this? Well, let's go through. 13, 14, 2. Okay, 13, 14, 2. We'll use a different color. Oh, I have this. Dang it. Thirteen, 14, 2. Okay. 4, 6. We know that. Let's get that out of there. 15, 8. We know that. Let's get that out of there. Okay. 16.9. Am I doing this right? I forgot. Pretty sure. 5, 10, 11. Oops. Okay. You can go ahead and add them up. 5 plus 16 is 21, plus 8, 29, 32. 10 plus 1 is 11, plus 15 is 26, plus 6, 32. 11 plus 9 is 20, plus 12. And you can see it just falls into place. So that was a challenging, but actually very doable kubok. So the one I did the other day, I actually figured out the easier path to it, but it was much harder than this. And it was only a hard. So I kind of wonder how he rates these, the guy who does these, David. You know, because it's like, is it like, oh, hey, I can see this, but he's making it, you know. I should be a tester for this. I think I could put the difficulty level on this. If anything, I would have rated this one a hard and rated the one from yesterday expert. But anyways, that's our Kubok16. I hope that you enjoyed this. This is our premiere. Well, actually,